Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Thursday, what is it, April, gosh, 18th? So anyway, it's my day off. Nice day, always a little windy here, so for some reason, I don't know if it's just springtime or whatever, but it seems to always be windy. But anyway, I ordered some, I actually have the Hero 5 Black that I'm shooting this with, and I had a couple extra batteries. Gosh, I think I lost 2 of them. I don't know where they went, but I had the original GoPro battery that came with it, and I bought some Wasabis. They're always a little bit cheaper. But I don't even know where the GoPro battery went, and I probably lost one of the GoPro batteries, so I don't know where it went. But anyway, I ordered a couple more batteries, a different brand, from Amazon, and you're not going to believe this, but they're higher milliamp, and they're for the Hero 5, Hero 6 Black, but for 2 batteries and a charger, even with the USB cable for the charger, was $5.99 for 2 GoPro batteries, a charger. $5.99 at Amazon. So I had to buy them, and they're actually higher milliamp, so that means they're going to probably last longer. So even for $5.99, even if they were crap, it's just like eating lunch, you know, that you don't have anything from it anyway. So I got them with me. I might even have one in here now. I think I do. I think I have one in the camera now, but man, you can't beat that price. I'll put a link in the description in case you want to buy any. I mean, gosh, $5.99 for 2 batteries. You buy a GoPro battery, it's $19.99 for 1 battery. I got 2 and a charger for $5.99. Anyway, I thought that was pretty incredible. Anyway, bye. Well, hello again there, YouTube. I'm looking for this, I forgot what it's called, Alamo Burger Place, kind of towards Fredericksburg. I know it's way out in the country, like just way out here. And my wife and I came here once, probably 4 years ago, and it took us like 6 hours to get a burger. Unbelievable. It wasn't even that crowded. We had to wait like 3 hours to get a table, and then once we got a table, it took another 3 hours to get a burger. So I don't know if I swore I'd never come back, and I don't know if it was just a bad day. They only had 1 person cooking, and so if there were 50 people in front of you, you were in line for like 51. So that's why it took so many hours. I swore I'd never come back, but I'm kind of hungry for lunch, and see if I can find this place and maybe give it another try. I know they had well, no burgers were 6 hours awaiting, but they were small, but they were thick. Ugh, I hate those cattle crossings. And I think they even, remember they had like a jalapeno bun that wasn't hot, but it was good. So I'll probably try that again if I get out there, if I ever find the place. I got it plugged into the GPS, so we'll see if I know it's way out here. You're driving for miles and miles and miles out in the middle of nowhere. Turn in high on that High Alpert Road or whatever it was, right in High, H-Y-E. Anyway, I'll turn it on if I ever find it. Bye. Well, my GPS wasn't taking me to the Alamo Burger Place. It was taking me to the Alamo in San Antonio, so guess I'm not going to find it. I have to go home and search it on the computer and then find it someday again. I found it once years ago, so don't know where it is now. Anyway, bye.